Actually, the point why I'm taking the video is for this thing, the mount strap. The mount strap, it's actually I asked the opinion of the people yesterday when I was buying this thing. 80% of the people were like, okay, it is good, but 10% of the people is like, no, it's not good. I have heard it. I mean, they said something like that. So I just wanted to make a review of this thing, mount strap with a GoPro. So the mount strap, till now it is like fitted fine, and here if you can see the nose guard, the strap which is there, I put it inside. It's not on top of this, but I have there is a gap here, so I put it inside. And this is for a empty helmet. This is empty blade 2 version, so it fits well for this. And now we are going to try for the off-road part. Like some people said for off-road it is shaking a bit, so we'll be just testing this thing in the off-road as well. Some videos of the normal ones and the off-road ones, so you can see the difference, and you can see whether it is shaky or whether obviously like in 7 there is a stabilization, so you can check. If your action cam is not in Hero 7 and it doesn't have a stabilization, then like I do have one action cam which is Eken. I'll try with that also, but for this right now with the GoPro we'll check. Okay. Yeah. Oh, just miss out of control. ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೈತೆ.
ಬಾ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ಇದೇನಾಗಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೋ, ಹೇಳೋದು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ. ಈಗಲೇ ಬೀಳಿದ್ಯಾ
ನೋಡಿ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೈತೆ. ಕಮಾನ್ ಬ್ರೋ. ಓ ಮಚ್ಚ, ತಗೊಂಡೋಗೋದೇನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೌ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಡೌನ್
ಹಂಗೆ
ಬ್ರೋ. ನಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೆ ಇವಾಗ. ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ನೋಡು.
ಅದೇ ಹೇಳೋದು, ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟೀಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು.
ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಬೈ ವಾಕ್ 100 meters, enjoy for some time. Let's go back. App which I mounted, it's fitting well, so there is no shake. There is no shake at all. I mean, and then later somebody, some people were telling about the nose guard, so I put the strap here inside the nose guard. There is a opening here, so this also fits well. So there is no actually any defects that I can see while I am riding. So this is the off-road where we came from, and the off-road, the camera was placed smooth and it was fit. Hope we meet next time with another video.